There is one question every business seeks to answer today. How can we be better? From logistics to technical systems, administration and finance, we always want better. At Yellow Card, we continually strive to give the best to customers and partners. This is why we have created a business payments API custom-made for your business needs. The Yellow Card Payments API is built to simplify business finance and enable businesses anywhere to access African fiat on and off ramps and treasury management services. Mighty convenient if you ask us. So what can you do with our Payments API? You can enjoy easy local payment options, including bank transfers and mobile money. Experience business expansion through remittance and payment products. Safeguard against inflation and instability of African currencies through stablecoins settlement. Get one API to access over 20 African countries. Get a secure way for your customers to deposit and withdraw their money. With the Yellow Card Payments API, there is more for you and more for your business. You can manage your collections, disbursements, balances and settlements from the Yellow Card Business Dashboard with the ease and speed that your business deserves. Interested? Get started here.